Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see one Olympiad problem. The question is given: let A, B, C be positive real numbers such that A, B, C is equal to 1. We have to prove that pi of A to the power of 5A plus A to the power of 4 plus A to the power of 3 plus A to the power of 2 plus A plus 1 is greater than or equal to 8 into pi of A square plus A plus 1. Here we are having three variables A, B, C. So before going to this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded in this channel. Go through them. Thank you. So here what is given. So first of all, without pi I am writing a to the power of 5, a to the power of 4, a power 3, a square plus a plus 1. By I'll write other second one, a square plus a plus 1 is greater than or equal to 8. You have to show. So here both are having pi a b c for both they are having. So first of all I will solve this. So a power 5, a power 4, a cube, a square, a plus 1 can be written as a power 6 minus 1 divided by a minus 1. Or multiply both numerator and denominator with a minus 1. A minus 1 if you multiply numerator and denominator, a to the power of 5, a to the power of 4, a cube plus a square plus a plus 1 by a square plus a plus 1 is greater than or equal to 8. Here you are having pi ABC. So the numerator will become a power 6 minus 1 by the denominator will be a cube minus 1. So the numerator can be written as a cube plus 1 by a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 1. So these two get cancelled is greater than or equal to 3. So here pi ABC is given. If you remove this, a cube plus 1 into b cube plus 1 into c cube plus 1 greater than or equal to 8. If you show this, the problem will be completed. Now, by applying AM and GM, 1 by a cube plus 1, 1 by b cube plus 1 plus 1 by c cube plus 1 is greater than or equal to 3 by cube root of a cube plus 1 into b cube plus 1 into c cube plus 1. Now, we are taking the second one. This is the first one and we are taking the second one. A cube by a cube plus 1, b cube by b cube plus 1, c cube by c cube plus 1 greater than or equal to 3 into cube root of a cube b cube c cube by cube root of a cube plus 1 into b cube plus 1 into c cube plus 1. So let it take it as second one now. Adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. So LHS will get 1 by a cube plus 1 plus a cube by a cube plus 1, 1 by b cube plus 1, b cube by b cube plus 1, 1 by c cube plus 1, c cube by c cube plus 1. Here 1, 1, 1 you will get 3, total you will get 3, greater than or equal to 3 plus 3abc, cube and cube root will get cancelled, by cube root of a cube plus 1 into b cube plus 1 into c cube plus 1. Now given ABC is equal to 1. ABC value is 1. If you substitute here ABC value, so 3 is greater than or equal to 6 by cube root of a cube plus 1 into b cube plus 1 into c cube plus 1. Now cross multiply cube root of a cube plus 1 into b cube plus 1 into c cube plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. Therefore, a cube plus 1 into b cube plus 1 into c cube plus 1 is greater than or equal to 8. Therefore, pi ABC of a to the power of 5 plus a to the power of 4 plus a cube plus a square plus a plus 1 is greater than or equal to a 8 pi ABC of a square plus a plus 1. I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.